Welcome to this gig where I show you the money mastery coaching with 11 bonus ebooks. This is where I show you how to make extra income. Here you'll be learning 5 ways to create passive income, how to create multiple streams of income. I'll show you sure ways to make daily money with your WhatsApp. And I'll also show you a list of 50 businesses you can start with $100 or less. 20 plus ways you can make over $10,000 per month or even more, and 10 ways to becoming a money magnet. Yeah, right now. Some facts no one told you about money mastery. So, I am your coach, Emmanuel Ayeni. Please click the link and make the order, and let's get started. Thank you.